Hello, Pretty Geeks, and welcome to another new style subscription unboxing. Today I'm trying out Nadine West because they have a free trial option, and I was really intrigued. Thank you. I had a comment a couple of weeks back about trying it, and I was super excited, and then she never emailed me back, and I was like, oh! So I looked it up and decided to, where did it go? Get the free trial option. So obviously the clothing isn't free, but the shipping is free. So Nadine West is a bit cheaper than Stitch Fix. The items are supposed to be cheaper as well. There is also a style quiz sort of thing in the beginning, but it's a lot less in-depth compared to Stitch Fix, and there's not like a cool like daily fix kind of check-in, and I believe you don't get as many items. Whew, someone went flying. So, alright, so this is our little sticker sheet here. So, okay, so there wasn't the ability to pick and choose quite as much as the other one either. So the little label and kind of a cool bracelet. It's got some neat detail. I like it. Color-wise, I think it would work. And not really my style. I don't do a whole lot of bracelets. I really don't do a lot of chunky things because I don't find them very comfortable. And can we pick on... Alright, the bracelet is $13.99. So, trying to not peek. So everything is wrapped up in tissue paper. Let's get it all open. Ooh, ooh, so soft. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, Popular 21. I don't think that the brands are a big thing. Oh, it's a short sleeve dolman cardigan. I wonder how long or short the sleeves are in this gorgeous sagey green. I love it. It's like not quite as light as my normal sage, but not at all as dark as forest. It's got heather, and it is butter soft. I'm excited to put that on my body. Very, very excited. And this one is a dress. Interesting, super duper thin, but flowy. It's got a handkerchief hem, which I used to like when I was younger, and I just don't dig as much. And it is also in a sage color, but more of an olive. Definitely more of an olive. So also Popular 21 brand. And very thin and strappy, but very cute and lightweight. Yes, baby. So I think it might be something that would work better with a slip, but it doesn't look like the kind that can go with a slip, so it might be slightly see-through. Alright, we'll change your booty then. Also included, I like half peeked, are two earrings. Not earrings, necklaces. So in a similar faux patina, there is a little arrow, which is cute. It's a little arrow choker, and the metal itself looks like a pretty bronze.
Where Daddy go?
And
where Daddy go? Where is him?
No. So that one is 13.
Daddy go?
I don't know, Papa. And then there is an owl, and it is long style, very cute, with like the cutouts. I like the little heart on his belly, cute. And the owl shield is 17. The cardigan top is 27, and the dress is $31.50. So I am gonna try them on. I'm actually gonna see how the accessories look with what I'm wearing too. Alright, so here's the owl. It's a very cute length. And I actually have an owl, a very similar one, but it has enamel detail. So this doesn't really, it's not really wearing like my style, to be honest. And then there is the arrow. Right, and it is good. Water is delicious. And here's the arrow, which I didn't think I would like as much, but I actually really quite like that. It's a good length. And I think it's really quite cute. It might be a little pokey if I get smucked, which I work with kids, not like, yeah. So sometimes they get smucked. Yeah, I like that one. Okay, so this one I do like more than I thought I would, but it is very, very, very flowy. Ugh. It's a fun length. You can see a whole lot of the side of my bra. My boobs are trying to escape a little bit. So let's see it with a real bra. Alright, so it might be slightly more flattering with a bra, but it's still, it shows a bit. So if you have the ability to go braless, maybe that would be the better option. I don't find being completely braless to be the most comfortable, and I cannot wear adhesive bras because I am still nursing. So this one is a no for me, but it's very fun. That's a really lovely material. Okay, so I low-key want to not like it because it's, you know, fairly shapeless, and I shouldn't pay a lot of money, but it is so soft. So I don't know what I would really be wearing it with. So let's see. All right, so I'm not certain that I know exactly how to wear these. So this is a pretty typical start of an outfit for me, is a skirt with a t-shirt with either a blazer or a cardigan, you know, leggings slash tights slash socks and whatnot. But I don't know, is it something that you belt in? Because it does have the dolman, so it would be pretty breezy, but I would still be quite possible. I'm not certain. I feel a bit like I could fly away like a wonderful forest bat of some sort. I don't know. It's really quite soft, and I really rather like that, but I don't know if it's a necessity piece or if I just like it because it's soft and it's in a color that I love so much. So I'm thinking it might be because I love the color and I love being coddled. So I think that's all I have for y'all. I don't think I'm keeping any of it. I do really like the arrow necklace, but it's not really a necessity piece or a, you know, splurgy type piece, even though it is pretty affordable. The owl, like I said, I have one already, and I don't really like the bracelet. The dress didn't work. It was a beautiful fabric. Sorry, I was like, what is touching me? There's a balloon. Of course there is. Balloons. So that is that. That's what I'm gonna go with. I think none of it. I think I'm gonna take a lot of photos of this top and try to find some similar colors to it, but I feel like it was so unflattering on my body that it doesn't super duper feel worthwhile. I do love the length. It is so comfortable on. But for almost 30 bucks, I feel like I should be focusing on what's actually going to be flattering and make me feel good as I move into my new career. So I think I'm going to send them all back. but I really liked it, and the clothing was better quality than I thought it would be, since it's, you know, known as the discount version, really. I liked it. I liked it. I would recommend giving it a try. Um, I wasn't expecting so much jewelry. I'm so picky about the jewelry that I get. I mean, it probably has a bit to do with being a maker and a small business owner myself. I like certain things. I like what I like, you know? So that's all I have for y'all. I love you so much.